Quick update on the 90-gallon Planet aquarium. My third red tiger lotus bulb starting to actually turned into 2 shoots. Still working on getting the ferns to attach to the rock there in front, and did a bunch of pruning and plucking of plants here in the middle, and really thinned it out. Still trying to figure out the right hand side of the tank. These pieces of driftwood are loose, and therefore I have to find a way to kind of anchor them in the tank, and that's been a challenge because they've fallen a couple times, and the left side of the tank has become just kind of overgrown, but definitely letting it grow out. Some crowding of plants a little bit. Need to do some trimming there. Most of that is the water sprite. And let's take a look at the temperature. 83.3. pH is still higher than I would like for it to be. Plus I need to double check my calibration on that. And 83.7 according to the apex. And let's see, some new products that came in. Some Purgin in the bag, and then the Fluval foam and Renew to replace the carbon. So once I run down the carbon that is in here, once I use all that up, I'll stop using carbon and switch over to Renew, which is supposed to be the replacement. And then over in this side, we're running a big bag of Purgin. And then we're using this middle AquaClear 50 to try and bring down the nitrates or extend the water changes, and also add more flow to the tank. And that's pretty much what's been going on. No other new developments, no new fish. All the livestock is doing good. Really just focusing on some of the AquaScape and trimming the plants and trying to figure that out right now. All the equipment is doing well. Water's crystal clear, and still trying to fully program the apex and get everything on board so that the apex is controlling everything. And most importantly, I really want to add the feeder, which has been out of stock. And as soon as they get their supplies back up, I will order that, and that's what's going on. So thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Feedback is always welcome. And I'll leave you with a close-up of the tank.